Hey guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika. So I have this huge unboxing of the Erin Condren new releases for 2022-2023. So let's go to get started. You guys know I don't do a lot of planner hauls on my channel, but if you follow me on Instagram, all the links will be down below. I will continue to post all my planner spreads and everything on my social media, because honestly, every time I post a planner video, no one really watches it. So I'll just show you guys my weekly spreads on my Instagram. Follow me on there, Beauty with Mika, same as my YouTube channel, and let's talk about it. All right, so huge box. I know you're like, what did you get? It's a lot in here. All right, so I will be doing detailed videos for you guys, showing you guys all about the planners, what my thoughts are on them, how I'm gonna plan to use them, everything. I will say everything that I purchased is for 2023, because you guys know I already have my Erin Condren planners for the 2022 year, but I need to get started early and I had a 20% coupon. So first they send you this book. It has a lot of things in it. There's a 15% off coupon, which you already know I'm gonna use, and these are all the things that will be coming out in July. I've been hearing a lot of feedback about this backpack that I'm not interested in, but here are just an overview of what will be coming out for my planner girls. You guys have probably already seen this, and overall it looks good. It's a one-page sheeter. They're coming out with, let's see, some functional sticker books, as they always do. They're coming out with a backpack that is $92, so you know I will be passing on that. Some new softbound academic planners that will be $30. Some fine line pens for $15. Now they do have a adjustable wood laptop stand, kind of interesting. It's $26, but you could probably find one cheaper on Amazon. They will have a metallic ballpoint pen duo. Their pens are always reasonable, I would say, compared to Michael's. They will be having this golden ruler bookmark that is priced reasonable at $12. A blush calculator, and they will be having some color changing brush markers, a 6-pack for $15.50. So I can use the code. I have until October 1st, which is good. I always keep a lot of my codes on my planner card, so if I ever want to use them. But that's just their back to school collection. Again, if you want to see it. Now let's go ahead and get started into this haul. There is a lot in here because I was tracking my box, and they actually delivered this on Mother's Day, so I'm not recording on Mother's Day. Shout out to all the mothers if you are a mother, but there's so much, so I'm going to remove everything and then come back and show you guys. I'll start with the accessories first. Right, so let's go ahead and talk about let's see, some accessories. So I did get this for free. This is their metal bookmark, and it has the little sticky flaps right here. You got this for free with your purchase. So you did get this for free with purchase. It just has the flaps. I don't want to remove them. I know you guys have probably seen tons of YouTube videos. I got this for free during the week I ordered, because it was during release week. So they gave this out, and I believe a bag. So I chose this. And then some accessories I wanted was this metal pen holder clip, so I could actually clip this to the current planner that I have. I am using the Erin Condren horizontal weekly planner, and I have the no-tea cover case on it. If you guys want to see a detailed review, leave a comment and I will get videos out to you guys. But I wanted to clip this on. Even though my no-tea cover does come with a pen loop, I just wanted to also have this when days I don't want to use my actual no-tea cover. Let's see, I did pick up this Grogu Grogu planner charm. My daughter London loves Grogu from Star Wars, and I also use the petite planner, so I wanted to decorate this as a sign. You know, my kids love it. They didn't have the Hello Kitty one, and I thought I did have it. Also, for my petite planner, I have been watching tons of videos. I'm subscribed to so many people's different channels. My favorite is Shantae Plans, even though she does a vertical plan, but I do watch a ton of people's videos here on YouTube just to get inspiration and figure out new ideas of ways to plan. So I've seen with petite planners, people were going by their word of the year. Mine is definitely for 2022 and 2023. Well, for 2022 it'll be, so my word of the year for 2022 is motivate, and next year I will let you guys know what my new word is, but I plan to put this on my petite planner. And I also got this for free. I didn't order this, but this is very cute. It's some great post-its, and you have today and to do. So I thought that was cute. Thank you, Erin Condren, for including that. I did order a planner cover. So this is the Colorblends metallic. I love the metallic. I love all things color blends. I just like the Colorblends layout. All right, so I like the Colorblends layout. This is, let's see, this is okay. This is the front, and I did go ahead and get my name on there. So I'm not gonna show you guys my last name, but my first name is Tamika. If you don't know, Beauty with Mika, so short for Tamika. And then I did go ahead and get the back. So this is front and back, so you guys can see what it looks like. Pretty much the same, but I did go ahead and get the Colorblends metallic. You can get it without the metallic, but I love it. I feel like this is so cute. It stands out. I love the paper mache with all the different colors. I have used paper mache in elementary school, so this brought back a lot of memories for me. Now, some other things that I picked out is their washi. You did get, if you bought 3 or more accessories, you got a 20% off. So I got 20% off plus 20% off all my accessories, and then I got 20% off my planners. Julie Plans uses this one right here, this brick one, and I was just like, you know, I really want that, but I wanted to use some washi. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really a washi person, but I definitely like the colors of these washi. So this is what one looks like, and you could buy it as a set. So I was like, you know what, let me just try to start using washi, because I never usually do. I feel like my stickers take over anytime when I don't. My stickers just do more than the washi, so I was like, eh. So I did pick up these 3, and this is what they look like. And they're cute. And if you guys are wondering, yes, I am recording on my ottoman because I felt like this was a better view for you guys. Now let's go on to the planners. All right, so the first planner is a 7x9, and I did get another pack in here with 2 20% off cards, some other things. So it says welcome to the EC family. So I picked up the leopard print 7x9 horizontal weekly planner for 2023. So yeah, you guys know in advance I will be using this planner for 2023. I decided to get this one, and I will be actually changing it out to the metallic cover. So that's why. And then I also paid the extra $10 for rose gold coil. I actually like the rose gold coils, so that's where I'm at. So that's what I'm planning to do. I do like leopard, but I'm gonna be honest, you're gonna be seeing a lot more of this Colorblends metallic. So this is what the planner does look like. I always get rose gold coil, and this is what the inside looks like. If you want to, I will say I like the Erin Condren paper. If you want to see a detailed review, I will be giving you guys that. So I just wanted to show you guys what planner did I choose, and then I'll go into a separate thorough review. I did get the newest ruler. I noticed that a lot of people were getting the older one until they actually completed distribution on the older ones and got it out of inventory, but I got a new one, and I didn't care either way, because every time you order an Erin Condren planner, you always get the rulers, and the rulers do come in clutch when you are planning. So that's what I chose to do. Now if it gets on there, now I know a lot of people thoughts are they're not really into the Erin Condren since her debacle in 2020 during the Black Lives Matter movement, but since then she has done drastic changes to improve the company and the brand. So that's why I decided to go back to Erin Condren. I will say compared to her and other planner companies, I actually missed Erin Condren. She was the first planner company I went to, and when I want to go back to other companies I can, but for now I'm doing the coil. All right, so for 2023, I will be doing, all right, so now for 2023, something I will be using for a daily use, because I'm thinking about really changing this instead of doing my petite planning, is I am going to try out the Daily Duo Life Planner. I do get another discount code back here. Well, back here I get an interchangeable cover. So in addition to my two covers, I also get a free set, personalized, a free set to change the look of the entire cover. So I get an actual coupon back here to actually get a whole nother cover if I want to, and I have until the end of May of next year to use that if I want to, which I think is really cool because I actually did put one in my cart. Y'all know I'm good for like pre-shopping and building my carts. So I will be doing a detailed review on this one. So I have 2 reviews coming out. I will give you guys 2023 7x9, and then I will be doing the 2023 Daily Duo. I wanted to try a Daily Duo. I also want to purchase some spread stickers from Etsy and Chrissy's Designs, just because I do daily duos. I do plan daily. So I plan daily, I plan weekly, and I plan for the month. The twins have a whole calendar. You guys, I'm well organized over here. But I wanted to go and purchase this, so I got the new ruler with it. I did pick out the Colorblends, and then I got Colorblends without the metallic, and this one I got another one. And I don't know, this one I'll put the name of it on what this actual design is, because they came out with so many Colorblends, Harmony. I'll post the name of which one is it, and each one will be link will be down below for everything I talk about in this video. Also, to let you guys know, if you never purchased from Erin Condren, there is a referral link where you can get $10 off your first ever purchase with Erin Condren. So go ahead and use that link if you are interested, and I will be getting back to you guys to give you guys some more detailed reviews on these because I like them. But yeah, I did purchase the Daily Duo in, let me see, I don't think there was, no, the Daily Duo doesn't have a specific size, but here's a preview of what it looks like. So yeah, that is it for this haul. Really short, sweet. I know you guys love to see these or to catch me on Instagram with them. If you guys want to see any more detailed reviews, I will be going thoroughly over the who, what, when's, why's behind these planners. Why did I choose them? I know you guys are like, Mika, it's only May of 2022. Why are you purchasing your 23 calendars? Because I already kind of knew what I wanted and I had a coupon, so that worked out. Until then, don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment. I will see you guys on Instagram and all social media links. And until then, you guys stay blessed. Have a blessed month of May, and I will talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye.